Hey everyone! In today's video, I'll show you how to fix the Overwatch 2 lost connection to game server error. This method is simple, effective, and only takes a few minutes. Let's get started. First, go to the search bar and type View Network Connections, then open it. Find your active network adapter and double-click on it. Click Properties, then select Internet Protocol version 4, IPv4, and click Properties again. Now, make sure Obtain an IP address automatically is selected. Below that, select Use the following DNS server addresses. For the preferred DNS server, type 8.8.8.8. For the alternate DNS server, type 8.8.4.4. Once done, click OK and close all windows. Next, go back to the search bar and type CMD. Right-click on Command Prompt and choose Run as Administrator, then click Yes. In the command window, type ipconfig/flushdns and hit Enter. After that, type net sh winsock reset and press Enter again. Once both commands finish, restart your computer. After the restart, launch Overwatch 2 and the connection error should now be fixed. If this guide helped you out, make sure to subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.